Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to trade options in Webull. So first, let's get familiar with Webull desktop interface. After logging in, you will see several key sections that are great for navigating through stocks and options. We will mainly focus on Markets tab and Trade section where all the magic happens. For the Options tab here on the left hand side of your screen, it is essential to understand the options chain. This is where you will find available stock price, expiration date and other details for options on stocks you are interested in. Let's start by selecting a stock you want to trade option on. The option chain has two main sections, calls and puts. Calls are contracts that give you the right to buy the stock, while puts give you the right to sell. Below each you will see a variety of stock prices and expiration date, which is important for picking the best option for your strategy. While selecting an option, you will want to consider the expiration date and strike price. The expiration date is the date the option contract ends, so make sure it aligns with your trade strategy. For example, if you expect the stock price to rise quickly, a near-term call option might work well. The strike price is the price at which you will hoping to either buy or sell the stock. For calls, pick a strike price lower than current market price if you think the stock will go up. For puts, pick a higher strike price if you think the price will fall. After selecting your option, you can place your order. You'll have a few choices for order types. First is market order and second is limit order. On the market order, you will fill the order immediately at the current price, which is quick and simple. On limit order, you will set a specific price and the order will execute if the price reaches the point. After picking the order type, choose the number of contracts to trade. Each contract usually represents 100 shares, so keep that in mind. You will also see the premium cost, which is the price per contract. Once everything looks good, click on place order to confirm. After placing the order, it's important to monitor your position. Go to your position tab to track the open options. Here you can see whether your trade is in profit or loss and decide if you want to hold it or close it. If you are ready to close the trade, you can either sell to close it or wait for it to reach expiration if you believe the price will still move on your favor. Now you know how to trade options on Webull desktop platform. I hope this tutorial was helpful in understanding how to set up and manage option trades on Webull. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.